yeah. Let's go. Oh, I think let's go. Oh, I saw. Bro, everyone's gonna fall off. Colin! Kuya! Isaac yan. Isaac!
Okay, it's a yellow team ball. Yellow team ball. Pass to Colin.
Oh, Colin.
Easy. Ow. Miss. Rebound is it. Pass is okay, who will be the best? Pass to it's still foul. It's a foul. Shooting foul.
Yeah, first play stop.
It's a shooting foul.
First play stop.
Okay, after
First play stop.
he shoots for two.
Sucks.
Forgot. First shot.
It's so bad.
First shot is good. Second shot. Last two. Last two.
You think you're funny, but you're not.
5-2. Yellow 5.
You think you're funny, but you're not.
Blue 2. Mark.
Meron ako sa final class. Alalain mo na. Yes. Woo! Woo! Akio! Oh! Stroke that thing! Ah! Stroke that thing! Why this way? Ooh! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Next fight.
Happy birthday to you, doodle. Happy birthday to you. Shut up. Oh, Jacob, why you saying those words? And one. And one. That's my dad. That's my dad.
Next fight, be ready. Come on. Bonus chance is good.
How do you shoot that? I said that's my dad.
Next fight is going to
Hi. Because I have notification. Are you Victor?
Okay.
Are you Victor? Because I want to see your picture.
Yes! Who is that?
I shot him.
Start is 8. It's going to be
cheer for Victor. Let's go, Victor.
Joaquin, Joaquin with the ball. 14 defenders. Joaquin jumps. Almost there. Dio get the rebound. Gutierrez.
No way! Ah! What's this so much rebound?
Rebound. Saved by Julian. Julian attacks.
Nice! Both Collins is unstoppable. Both Collins is unstoppable, bro. Not even you can stop it, bro. Oh, really, bro? Yes. I will prove you wrong. Oh, like Cube.
Score 8-14. Now the
Why?
lead is by 6.
Why are you doing this to me, man? Wow! Very, very good. Okay, man, shoot the ball, man. Shoot it. Yo! What is this? How's this a school? What this do? What's the school? Is this a basketball? You want how? Ma'am, say please. You want how? How to Carabao?
Jump ball. It's a blue ball now. It's a blue ball. It's a blue ball. Go Philippines. Go Philippines. Go Philippines. Oh. It's a line violation. Line violation.
First, they have Collins.
Possession. 20 seconds left. For our first half. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the first half. Score 14-8 in favor of yellow team. 14. Second half.
Yo, what are you doing?
Go.
Nice rebound. Ah! Rebound. Nice.
Passes to Caleb. Caleb attacks. Passes to Mark.
Wait.
Passes to Ali. Ali shoots. Miss. Foul. Foul. 16-8. Still the yellow team is leading. 16-8. It's the man-to-man. Hey, come to the game. This is a man-to-man game. This is a man-to-man game.
So I can press it. Run. I almost got scared there, bro. Wow! I just want to try. Ano ba kayo? Nice rebound, nice rebound. She's so slow. Ay, sorry.
Foul.
Bravo! Ay, matching! Match there, this one is better. Yun.
Basket.
Love you, nice.
10-18.
If you don't, I got it. Ako na! Whoa! That's tough, man. Whoa! That's tough, man. Don't move the camera. Iso ko, anak. Yeah, Victoria.
Foul.
Yan.
Shooting foul.
Yan, para makita.
It's a shooting foul.
Magkakape pa kayo ni Muhammad?
The score is 10-10.
Yes, because I am the verb. I'm the verb.
Score is
Bakit?
10-10.
Kukuha ka ng food? I want to eat. Baby! Wow! Ay! Kanina pa kayo doon. Ano daw ng ano eh, ng champion? Maganda daw ang laban, no?
Palko ay sila, kaanuhan na sila.
Junior Falcon, tsaka ano?
Dati na ba?
Wow! Galing ni Caleb.
Next five. Next five. Next five.
Ano na yung lalaro sis?
Sila Caleb na.
Sila Caleb na? Kanina pa?
Kanina
Sino
pa.
nalamang?
Third quarter na ata to.
Sino nalamang?
Hindi ko alam kung sino lamang.
Eh, lalong...
Nakakahati, ang galing ni Caleb eh. Daddy!
Score 14-24. 14-24.
Ay, sayang!
Pass sa kanya, one pass, six, shoot, miss. Lima pa Daniel, still. Kulan attacks. Now, rebound by Daniel. Go Daniel, run!
Daddy!
Okay, that's fine, right? Okay, 28-16. Now the yellow team is out by 12. Let's do it. You need to score. They are up by 12.
Yeah, Jackie!
It's a loose ball. Loose ball. 88-16.
Ay, sayang.
Last game. 13-16. Blue team. Blue team can do it.
Ano ang birhen mo dito? Malaking birhen.
Ang babo. Miss. Ibang by Kulan. Kulan yung first teammates. It's a 3-second violation. Guys, be aware of the 3 seconds. Don't stay. $30 seconds. 30 seconds left. Okay, after this, we have last 10 minutes. I will try now. Shooting ball. It's a shooting ball. Shooting ball. May pagkalis sa ball. 13-16.
Wala talaga. Lagay na po sa Ay, sayang. 5, 4, 3, Sino nanalo na? Tingnan mo nga anak kung sino nanalo, ha?
17:30. I can
Daming beses na.
Last 10 minutes. Pass to Jesse.
Ay! Naku po.
Robin Ferguson. Robin Ferguson.
Sana tayo yung champion.
Last 10 minutes.
Sana natin kanina. Ano ba yun doon? Ang kalaban nila? Yung natalo. Sila Jacob? Ano ba yung laban kanina na ano? Tawag ito? Yung Helen, ay yung Lakers, saka opponent. Ano bang laban yun? Hindi, yung sa maliliit sana nga. Sa maliliit? Oo, yung sa Lakers, oo, ngayon ang maglalaban yung Falcons at saka ang Akyat at ang hindi manalo doon na ang laban ng so ngayon ang naglalaban sino manalo sa kanila yung nakakalaban ng Lakers. My God, talaga. Hindi makikita eh. Oh, ang galing ng follow-up. Si Marcos, ang galing kanina eh. Sana na lang sa mga maliliit. Sila, ay, yellow. Nakikipag-agawan talaga ng bola. Diretso mo na, ganyan. Yan, diretso mo na. Ay, gaga. Yeah.
6
Yeah.
5 minutes, change 5. 5 minutes, change 5. Go, go.
Ay!
5 minutes, change 5. 5 minutes, change 5.
Nak, gusto mo ba ng ganyang bag? Ha? Gusto mo ng ganyang bag? Ha? Pwede. Sabi mo kay daddy.
I don't have like any.
Where do you get the Nike?
Very good. Final. Grabe yung defense ng Intan. Zero shots, basket. Okay, come on guys. Phase 1, 38.
Sorry, sis.
Layup, Sarah. And shoot for three. Miss. Zero rebound. Pass to Daniel. Daniel attack from inside. Good. It's a 15-point lead by yellow team. Come on, blue. Drive. Almost the same idea. One good defense by Daniel.
Parang ano lang.
Okay. Pass it to Nathan. Nathan attacks.
Ay, lang, sis.
Out of bounds. Last touch by Drive. It's a blue ball. Blue ball.
Ano ko lagi kami dalawa?
Coach, continue
Oh, di ba?
sir.
Crazy.
February 22. Basket. It's a basket. Everyone play. Everyone play for Mark.
Si Loyan Trust.
Okay, 38
Because
at the
the
ball.
she did
38-point lead.
Hey!
Oy!
Kuya, are you okay?
Ay, makakapagod.
Okay, stop. Substitution. Injury sub. Injury sub. Injury sub.
Ang may pa. Ano mo pangalan?
Injury sub. Bonus shot by Mark. Mark Green.
Dami na naman.
Okay, it's a 12-point lead. It's a 12-point lead by Yellow. Come on, Green.
Ako lang lang. Over lang.
It's a jump ball.
Walang sampo.
Jump
Kasi
ball.
dati 5
Save ball. Still in
75
Three minutes. It's a blue ball. They are blue ball wala. They are fighting for the rebound. Fighting for the loose ball. 3 points for the Okay. Pass player. Then you attack. Layup. Basket. It's foul. 28. 28. Now it's only 10-point lead by yellow team. Still.
Galing naman nila. 9 years. Nakakahabol. Nakakahabol.
Last 2 minutes and 7 seconds. If he shoots, it's a single digit lead. No. Offensive rebound by Nathan. Nathan attacks. Blocks by Dylan. Rebound by Giro. Giro shoots. Again a miss. Still by Joaquin. Joaquin passes to Giro.
It's okay.
You need to finish this strong. Okay? On the 6-point lead. Yellow team. Yellow team. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. 6-point lead. By blue, by yellow team. One more guy. One more guy. One more guy. Okay, go. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Yan na. Patay. Ay, sayang. Ay, sayang. Hindi ko makita yung mga ano nila. Nakaharap na baka. Nakaharang siya. Ayaw magsubuan. Ay! Kids! Uy, upo kayo! Hindi ko makita eh. Kids, upo! Upo, upo, upo! Upo kayo, upo! Eros! Eros! Sit down na, sit down! Yan, thank you!
1 minute and 36 seconds.
Ay! Oh my God! Ah, galingan, uy!
It's a 9-point lead by Yellow.
Shot! Ay!
Zaki, pass it to Abdul.
Ay! Ay! Bibitay! Ay, bakit? Bakit?
Daniel, pass it to Mark.
Three! Shot! Ay, sayang!
Go, your time is running.
Ah, galing na. Shot! Ay! Nagkakapat yung dalawa.
Okay, Yellow team ball. 37 seconds. 37 seconds. 42-33. Next game's advanced kids, be ready, be ready. 34, 33.
Yeah! Bago na sila eh.
14. seconds. Four. Okay, next game. Next game. Picture mo na kayo. Congratulations to you.
Wow, Madrid, you fun.
One. Show what you got, kids. Show us what you got. The game starts. Foul. Shooting foul.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Okay, 0-0. 0-0. Sunday, please now. Five minutes time. I'll change my minutes time. Okay, Joel. No, Joel. The score is 0-0. Pass to miss. Traveling violation. Okay, it's a blue ball. Blue ball. Traveling violation. It's a blue ball.
Ay, sus.
It's a double. 2-0. 2-0. Again. Pass to Chris. Basket. 2-2. Give us a good game, guys. Give us a good game. Looking for the teammates. Joel starting the play, passing to Chris. Chris attacking from the baseline. Guarded by Mohammed. Pass it back to Joel. Joel jump shots. Oh, kick. Oh, blocking foul. It's a shooting foul. Shooting foul. King, bakit yung alas nyo? Tayo nyo mabuti. Lahat ng lace nyo. I think you need to buy a new one, guys. Maybe your shoelaces are already damaged. Tell your parents to buy a new one. 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Next 5, be ready. Okay, 5 minutes, change 5. Basket.
Nice one,
Basket by
kid.
King. Basket by King. Okay, good shot. Score 6-4. 6-4. 6-4. Yellow team up by 2 points. Victor Pasuki. Joel. Guarded by Mohammed. It's a very good defense by Mohammed, but going for a foul. Still, hey, that's a good rebound pass. Next 5, be ready. Bentley. Bentley, oh, pass it to Joel. Basket. 8-6. 8-6. Last ball possession. Then change by tayo. Last ball possession. Then change by tayo. Two shots. Two shots for you. It's a second ball. It's a second ball. Two shots. Next ball, be ready. Go to the next side. Number 14, please. First ball, please. Here we go. That's the last possession ball game, okay? Next 5, be ready. Next 5, be ready. Jumps. Missed. Basket. Okay, South. The score is 10-6. 10-6. Next 5, next 5. 10-6. Okay. 10-6 is the score. Yellow team is up by 4 points. Blue team, we need backcourt violation. It's a backcourt violation. Jordan, no. Rebound by Sardini. No. That's a rebound by Sardini. Pass it to Emmanuel. Emmanuel pass to Zaki. Pass it back to Emmanuel. Emmanuel pass to Zaki. Screen by Jaden. Okay, this is down. Zaki.
Bro, they saw you, man. They saw you, Nice shot. That's my man.
This is by Ten 9. The score is 10-9. 10 by yellow, 9 by blue. Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds. First shot by Manuel missed. Last shot. Rebound ready. Second shot. Missed. Hey, rebound backside. Where's the backside, guys? Here comes Ezekiel. Ezekiel. Take the ball and you're dribbling. Here goes.
That's how mommy be like.
11-10. 2 minutes and
Yo, get out.
15 seconds. 11-10 is the score. Zaki looking for Jaden. Jaden shoots for 3. Almost there. Ball pick up by Emmanuel. He attacked the basket, missed. Rebound by Sander. Sander passes to Ezekiel. Zeke. Nathan. Nathan. Take. And one. It's an area play by Nathan. 13-12. 13-12. 13-12 yellow. Body shot by Nathan. Body shot by Nathan. Basket. Score is 13-all. 1 minute and 34 seconds. 13-all. 1 minute and 34 seconds. 1 minute and 34 seconds. Ezekiel, give it to ball. Harassing by Emmanuel. Under 1 minute remaining, 58 seconds. Score is 15-13. Out of bounds. 11 violation. It's a blue ball. Blue ball. 16-13. Blue 16-13. Seconds left. 17-13. 17-13. Jaden passes Saidini. Saidini shoots. Good. 15, 17, 20 seconds. 19, 18, 16, 14, 13. Nice. Go! Hey, you have to be aware for 3 seconds. Don't stay inside. Who's the man, Jacob? And this is a good matchup game. Jacob guarded by Bentley. Steals by King. King grabs the ball. Pass to Chris. Chris setting up the play. Jacob attacks and what? Miss. Bentley's turn now. It's Bentley's turn now. Defense of Chris. Pass it to Nathan. Nathan pass back to Victor. Victor fakes. Saved by the ball, they are too. What a good effort. What a good effort, guys. Okay, it's yellow ball, out of bounds. Out of bounds by 3, yellow ball. 17 seconds for our second 10 minutes. 17 all. 17 all. Oh, stepping on the line. It's stepping on the line. Okay, blue ball. Jacob holding the ball. Attacking again the basket. What a shot, but it's a sorry miss. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Nice play. Pass to Victor. Victor on the back, please. In, out, dribble. Right. Okay. Rebound by King. Jacob. Second shot by Joel. Rebound by King. 19-17. Yellow team 19, blue team 17. Yellow team 19, blue team 17. 5 minutes, 3-point shot by Victor. Miss. Who's ball now? It's a yellow ball. Next 5, be ready. Next 5, be ready. Yellow ball, that's the last possession before next 5. 19-17, yellow team 19, 17 blue. 17 blue. Still by Jacob. Foul. 19-17, next 5. Next 5, guys, next 5 here. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. The score is 17-19. Rebound the ball. Go. Okay. Still, Give the ball, pass it to Ezekiel. Ezekiel jump. No. Rebound by Nathan. I like this one. Taylor. Pass to Kira. Kira shoots for long three. Go. Rebound by Emmanuel. It's a steal.
Pero pag nakita ka sa score, yung revenue foul,
19 all. 2 minutes and 41 seconds. 19 all. 2 minutes for our second.
Counter!
Jumps for 3. Short. Kunting lakas na lang siya. Ay, right line is down. Hey, our line is right line, ha? Be ready for the right direction. Right line. Right line. Score is 19, all 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Behind pass. Carry attack. Ang balang story. 19 all. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Zeke missed. Victor Sander. Sander 2 go. Now, rebound by Saini. Looking for his teammates. Pass it to Emmanuel. Emmanuel. Emmanuel pass. Number 2 by Emmanuel. Emmanuel pass it to Neymar. Neymar. Still by Sander. Sander is secure. That's a ball up. Hey!
Nice.
This short, rebound by Jaden. It's a yellow ball. Last 24 seconds. Yellow ball. Okay, 19, 18, 15, 16, 8, 7, 6, 5. That's the minutes that I'm going to Blue team, you have to score. Yellow team is now up by 7. Long shot, short. Rebound by Kulan. Kulan turns, jumps. Okay, block. 26-21. 26-21. Blue team 21. Yellow team 26. 9 minutes and 20 seconds. The game is getting closer again. The yellow team is only up by 2. 26-23. 8 minutes and 33 seconds. Okay, 8 minutes. gusto ko na ma-check na itong dalawa eh. So, ipasa nyo ba sana? Jacob, ang bilis mo! And 7 minutes and 14 seconds. The score is 28-35. Your team up by 3 points only. Ball shot by Jacob. Ball shot by Jacob. Shoots. It's a 2-point game. It's a 2-point lead by yellow team. Time remaining 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Bombas defense. Ayan na. Si Gulen. Oy! Oy! 28 oy! 28 oy! 28 oy! 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Tingnan natin. 6 minutes left. Attack! 2 shots. 2 shots by Jacob. 2 shots by Jacob. It's a pushing foul. Out of shooting foul. 2 shots by Jacob. Score is 31-28. It's a 2-point lead by your team. First basket. And come on. Again, it's a 2-point lead. 2-point lead, 5 minutes and 56 seconds. What are the coaches in how to adjust? All the 2-point game. Pagkakita, separate, waiting on the 2. Still. Before, guided by Jerome. This is also a good matchup. No! I like this matchup! Oh, why he passes the ball? No! Pass to Victor! Victor! Victor to Jacob! It's a traveling violation! Traveling violation! So, 5 minutes and 10 seconds. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay, the coaches are just the players. Let's see how it works. Let's see how it works. Let's see. 29 seconds. Like 29, 31, 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Your team up by 2. You think that's a crucial defense. You need to stop. You need to stop. Nice team. Basket, on! On! Control! 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Guys! Sayang! Miss! Rebound by team! Traveling violation! Traveling violation! 39 all! It's a yellow team ball! It's a yellow team ball! John Butcher, second ball, yellow team. Second ball, yellow team. 33-31, number 2.
Yo, pili mo na! Pili mo na! Tignan, tignan!
Yellow team naman leading the score.
Ano?
That's a crucial defense by Sander. Okay, this ball, yellow team ball. Thirty-three, 31. Go, game on the ball. Hey, that's a crucial play. 33-31.
Tignan, tignan!
2 minutes and 20.
Batin mo na! Batin mo na, kulay! Kuha! Tignan, tignan! Take the ball! Get the ball!
Nice defense by King. 35-31. Blue team now is up by 4. Counted. One shot by Sander. Sander missed. Rebound. Two points. 37-31. Come on, yellow. Still have 2 minutes left. It's only a 2-point ball game. It's a 2-point ball game.
Nice one, Akio! Good job!
Same ball.
Good D, good D!
Same ball, same ball.
Good D, Akio! Good D!
Come on, yellow team.
Good D,
It's
sige!
still overtime. It's only a 6-point lead.
Sige, tignan mo na!
1 minute and 53 seconds. It's only a 6-point lead. It's a crucial error. 11, 5, 1 minute and 51 seconds. Sideline down. 27-39. 3 points. Missed. Go, get the ball. Hurry up. One minute and 16 seconds. One minute. Punch. Stop. 37-31. Blue team is up by 6 points. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Yellow team, you need to score. Now it's still by the field. 57 seconds now. It's still by the field. It's still by the field. Oh, it's still by. 2 shots left. Stop. 42 seconds, 27-31. Stop. Last 42 seconds, 37-31. 37-31. Blue team score, 39-31. 41 seconds left. 41 seconds left. How's your game? All good? Who feels tired? Who feels tired? Who feels tired? Tell me. Who feels tired? Okay guys, I know you are all tired. Okay, but we want to tell you that you are all doing good. Okay? The progress is there. We can all see that. Okay? So just keep on grinding. Just keep on grinding. Okay? Congratulations once again. Okay? Just give all a round of applause for all of you. Okay? So this time, we will be awarding the certificates for our season 6 camp. Okay? So, once I call your name, please stand up and come with me to receive the coach and leading assistants, please.
Baka yung mga bola ng mga bata.
Okay? So, this is almost 70 kilometers. Okay? Now, Mario Mendoza. Okay, once I call your name, please try to convince you. Just congratulate the kids. Okay, go on the side. Next, John Awi Abiyan. John Awi Abiyan. So, following his brother, Ella Joshua Abiyan. These students, they are very, very consistent. Okay, next, Kudel Marcelo. Kudel. Okay, next, following his brother, Robert Marcelo.
Colin, it's you.
Is that the one? Jose Rafael, how are you?
Yes.
Gian Castel Solan.
Yes.
Joaquin Soriente. Joaquin Soriente. Joaquin Soriente. Alexander Cookie Uy.
Sander, ano? Not Sander.
Elijah Gale Sanchez.
Ayaw nang tumayo eh. Ayaw nang tumayo ni Zezet.
Congratulations, guys. Jacob Richard Roca. Jesse Felipe Roca. Who's this?
Here. Muhammad Al Sayed.
Jaden Carl Andero.
And there you.
Caleb Liam West.
Juanes.
Ahmad Zaki.
Yes. Congrats.
Marcus Amir. Kyle.
Wow. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Daniel Angelo Padayaw.
Padayaw.
Eli Rebala.
Wes.
Renzo Corpus.
Yes.
Raven Corpus. Ali Jalal.
Yes. Ali Jalal.
Of course, his brother Abdul Jalal.
Jalal. Yes! Nathan Libera. Seth Lucas.
Alexander Lapus.
Yes!
Owen Tubale.
Ang liit, ang cute. Papilay-pilay na oh. Yes! Dwayne!
James David.
Yes! David Brothers!
Of course, Kobe David.
Yes! Tatlo sila. David Brothers.
Roman Calao.
Yes!
Rich Ezekiel Mariani.
Wow!
Of course, his partner in crime, Nathan Mariani.
Ford.
Taylor Forbes. Gabriel Matthew Banquillo.
Yes!
Where's Adrian?
Gabriel.
Jairus Euclid Berea. Jairus. Next, our sweet princess, Alicia Louise Villarreal.
Yay! Ang cute! Ang cute! Yes! Ang mga princess.
Saigini, Leoncito.
Saidini.
His brother, the smoker, Sacrifice Leoncito. Very good time. These guys Clives, Andre Albano.
Kives, Andre Albano.
Where's Joel Banza? I don't see him. Josiah Abraham Mercado, the silent guy. The silent killer. Joaquin Guerrero says Hero Pages. He's not, nice name. Adam Pagapa also is not Zion Fuentes. Zion Fuentes. Joaquin Talugay. King Giants Gomez.
Yes, the big man. The tower. Layden.
Elijah Maverick Manzano. They are not here. Also Cyrix Manzano. Nico Adrian Jimenez. Ivan Beltran. Andre Texon. Alec Ranillo. Timothy Kian Fabio. Where's Kian? Emmanuel de los Reyes. Chris Bayersky. Jacob Ayala. Victor Ayala.
Ay,
Akio Gomez. Steven Salas. The rest of the kids. Okay, please.
Sa kanila nakalimutan.
May nakalimutan. Kian Stologo.
Kian Stologo.
Okay, we will write the names of those we forgot to coordinate.
Ay, nakalimutan.
The next match. Over to. Ethan, JC.
Sige, what's up? Salita meron.
Salita. Sige, the rest of the guys, we forgot to sing. Kunin mo muna yung names nila. Yung names nila. Okay. Picture mo yung mga walang ano. Group mo sila, group picture. Si Jason na, baka siya si Jason.
Coach JP.
Ito yung nakalimutan natin. Si Ethan, si Six, Basketball Cup. Now we will move forward for our Season 7 Basketball Cup that will be start by next Friday. Okay?